Today I'm going to show you how to solve the puzzle verification on Amazon. This is something you might encounter when creating a new account or during the login process, and it's Amazon's way of making sure you're a real person and not a bot. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, look up at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Sign In to proceed to the login page. On the sign-in page, you'll need to enter either your mobile number or email address in the field provided. After entering your information, click the Continue button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll see an option that says Proceed to create an account. Go ahead and click on that to start the account creation process. Now you'll be asked to enter your name in the designated field. Type in your full name as you'd like it to appear on your account. Next, you'll need to create a password. Enter a strong password that you'll remember. Then re-enter the same password in the confirmation field below to make sure they match. After filling in your details, click Verify Email. This will prompt Amazon to send a verification to your email address. Once you've confirmed your email, you'll likely encounter the puzzle verification step. You'll see a button that says Start Puzzle, so go ahead and click on it. Here's where you need to pay attention. Read all the instructions carefully because Amazon may ask you to identify specific images, letters, or numbers. The puzzle is random, so it could be different each time. You might need to drag a puzzle piece, an image, or a slider into the correct position if the puzzle uses movement-based verification. Simply click and hold the piece, then drag it to where it fits. Once you've successfully positioned the puzzle piece or completed the verification task, click Confirm to finalize the process. Amazon will verify your response, and if everything is correct, you'll be able to proceed with your account setup or login. And that's it. You've successfully solved the puzzle on Amazon and can now access your account without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.